Hi, I'm Varnaz and welcome to Low Carb Keto Recipes and Having Fun. Today I have the recipe for you of, you want to call it chips or you want to call it crackers, call it what you may. But they are the crunchiest and tastiest chips, crackers that you'll ever make. So I made a batch right here. Let me show you what they look like and how crunchy they are. So get ready for the crunch. Do you hear that? Let me do another one. All as crunchy as each other. So we're standing in my kitchen. Let's begin. We take a mixing bowl and we add 2 scoops of whey protein isolate, which comes up to about 8 tablespoons. Next, we have 2 tablespoons of nutritional yeast, which is optional, and 4 tablespoons of psyllium husk. Give that all a good mix after you've added a bit of salt. And now we are adding 1 teaspoon of baking powder and 4 tablespoons of olive oil. Give it again a good mix with your spatula. And now we are adding water. So that's about 5 tablespoons of hot water you add to it. And now use your hands and bring it into a dough. Now, take a parchment paper and plonk the dough in the center. Take another parchment paper over it and roll it out. And it's soon ready to go into the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees centigrade. For the first time you have to put it in, it goes in for about 8 to 10 minutes. Here I'm showing you how to score it. Just score it in whatever shape you like. And then now this is when it's come out after the 10 minutes. You flip it over and allow the other side to also bake for another 10 minutes. And then we have this amazing crunchy, chippy nachos chips to have with your dips. It's absolutely yummy. Thanks for watching.